Hello, 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 it is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrappin' on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And this is layout number 4 for our March 2025 challenge to use green within your layout. Now, if you watched my March 3rd, I think that's the first Monday of March video, I revealed my kit. This was last year, and he was visiting his great-grandpa's house, and he was sitting on his old lawnmower, and so we're documenting that everyday memory. I have this circle stencil out that I'm going to use. I'm not going to tell you what I plan on using. I have this cut-apart piece from Boys Rule, which is a Cocoa Vanilla collection. I have this green paper. And then we have this paper here from Echo Park. And this was from 2019. And I'm going to use that side and maybe this side as well. And then for my base paper, I am using a 12 by 12 Daisy White cardstock. However, I am going to cut this down 8.5 by 11 page. I cut my strips 3 by 11. So we have 3 by 11 on these 3 pattern paper. And I am going to do some tearing, but I'm going to keep the top and the bottom and the sides straight. We're going to rough this up, and I'm just going to use my finger. I'm going to use a pair of scissors. These are Tim Holtz scissors. Not working so well. I'm having a hard time today. I normally don't have a hard time roughing up my edges and tearing them. And just going to go down the middle. So let's go on the 7.5. All right, I have my torn edges, and you can see I'm showing some white space here, and I'm going to curl this up as well, or distress it. Okay, I'm going to do some smushing technique. We're going to use Honey Dew List in green here, it's bright green. And my desk is such a mess right now. We're going to stir this up. And we're going to just add a little bit. I'm going to do a lot in here. All right, you can see that I did some smushing technique here with the Honey Dew List in that bright green. And now I'm going to use this stencil and a black pen, and we are just going to outline this stencil. This is another way to use stencils. Okay, next I'm going to use the same stencil, and I'm going to use Distressed Oxide and Fossil Amber. And that's just going to give another dimensional look, but softer. Not sure where I left off at because I got interrupted. So anyway, we've done the smushing. We've used the stencil to take a ink pen and trace it, and then we used Distressed Oxide and Fossilized Amber, and then put the ink through the stencil. Now I want to add this green washi tape along the edge. And I want to butt it right up against that pattern paper. Okay, and then My idea is to stack these. Okay, I want to add a title. I want to add some more splatters in here, and I thought I would use a blue, and I originally wanted to use the Dana Wakley medium gloss spray in Night, but I can't get the bottle open, so we're going to go with Heidi Swapp Navy Blue. And that just gives it a little bit of extra movement on the page, and another color in this bright color layout. I'm going to use this Vicki Boutin like washi tape title sticker, and I'm going to set that right over here. Okay, this layout is complete. I was silent when I was adding my stars and my puffy stickers, so I just edited that. I just edited that out because I was just being quiet. I wasn't saying anything because I was just focusing on this layout and not focusing that I had an audience. So I apologize for that, but this layout's complete. I know this is a different page for you from me, and if you feel daring and want to try this, please do so. You can scrap lift me. I have no problem of anybody ever scrap lifting me, and no, you don't have to mention that you scrap lifted my page on YouTube. I'm just an ordinary person. I'm no one special, so it does not bother me to scrap lift me. That's why I put these videos out there, is to inspire you to document those memories. All right, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And until next time, happy scrapping. Bye.